funny bunch. They motivate you, they inspire you, they are your partner in crime. They teach you new stuff. They are your companions for life. They are your best friends, probably your worst enemies. Some notable examples being Batman and Robin, Winnie the Pooh and Tigger the Tiger. You've got Timon and Pumbaa, Chip and Dale. So many notable examples that we have. This is Rotaractor Sai Ganesh, the club sales director for Rotaractor Club of Thane North, presenting to you another edition of Know Your Rotaractor. Now, talking about best friends or BFFs, let me remind you, this is the month of November, the month where we celebrate Children's Day, and we also have male-centric themes that are called No Shave November or Movember. So that's why the beard. Again, best friends come in all shapes and sizes, and I'm going to take you to a trip to meet two people, especially different in sizes, but they do share a lot of things in common. Warm welcome to Rotaractor Arun and Rotaractor Brandon. How are you doing, Arun?
I'm good.
And Brandon, how are you?
I'm cool.
You're
All
cool.
cool.
All cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I'll come to you, Arun. Tell me your first meeting with Brandon, or the first time that you met Brandon.
He was like a typical bully.
Okay.
So he was my senior. He caught hold of my collar. I don't remember why, but तभी I guess इससे भी छोटा height, कम था मेरा height. And do you remember what?
No, I exactly don't remember. But I met so many people in St. John who I used to trouble and bully a lot.
Then after that, 2 साल पहले इसको जब मिला, ये वही बंदा है ना? ये कॉलर पकड़ा था मेरा इसने. तभी इतना सही है.
अच्छा, तभी भी उतना ही था? तभी भी उतना ही था?
तभी मैं इससे छोटा था.
Oh, okay.
Karma.
Yeah, karma. What goes around comes around. Brandon, do you remember that particular incident?
Not exactly. Like
No.
seriously, because I used to be in St. John a lot. I know many people many know me. Like literally many know me, but half of them I don't even know.
तो सोच कितना बुली करता था लोगों को. बादाम खा, याद नहीं है.
Okay. Brandon, Arun is your best friend, very close. So tell me the 3 qualities of Arun.
3 qualities of Arun. If you ask me, one is he's a good dancer.
Okay.
Second, he's always there for you, no matter
Okay.
what. And third, let's say he's a good brother, friend. He's like everything.
It's just everything. Okay.
Like,
Okay. Now, Brandon, again coming back to you, you've been sports director, you've been zonal coordinator, you've also dipped your toes as far as creative is concerned in the district as well as zone. So, what has Rotaract taught you till now?
Rotaract has taught me to be more creative. Like, my creativeness level has increased a lot.
Okay.
And also I have made new friends and all. Making new friends, so that's what I learned in Rotaract, how to make friends.
Okay. Would you say Arun is the best friend, or you don't know yet?
He's like a blood bond brother.
Okay. Okay, good to see. Good to see the bonding between you two. Tell me a memorable project that both of you have shared together. I mean, either you've worked on or participated.
ऐसा कोई मेमोरेबल प्रोजेक्ट तो नहीं है, बट हम लोग ने साथ में हमेशा काम किया. लेट इट बी दी JPEG और एनीथिंग, मतलब वैसा साथ में काम किया. ऐसा कोई प्रोजेक्ट तो याद नहीं आ रहा है, किया भी होगा. बहुत है.
We are like the atom bombs of RCTN.
Okay, the atom bombs. Okay. Okay. If I'm not wrong, the two atom bombs names were, I think, Big Boy and Small something. So I think we can give those monikers to you.
Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
Yeah. Agreed. Arun, now you've been, one part of the winning team of Best Team Secretariat. So, any particular tips that you can give to the secretaries of this year?
भी जो तुम लोग कर रहे हो दिल से करो. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So Arun, now apart from all of this, you are a road tractor first and foremost. So what does that mean? Being a road tractor.
Okay, being a road tractor means a lot when that name road tractor gets added to your name. It comes like that Spider-Man dialogue.
It comes with great
responsibilities.
Okay.
So one thing being a road tractor has taught me is not me, first you.
Okay.
Like that.
So putting
being
others
selfless.
first.
Being selfless.
Brandon, what are the nicknames of Arun?
I don't have any nicknames for him, but I hear many nicknames like Anna, Arun, Anna, Arun, Vishnu. That's
Vishnu.
one of the names I've heard from. Like, I'm like Arun and Vishnu is like two separate things. But calling him Arun is like just like.
ये मेरे घर पे आया था. Mom is addressing me by Vishnu.
Right.
विष्णु कौन है? मैं. अरुण कौन है? मैं. मतलब यार नाम भी इधर को दो चाहिए ना, मतलब साइज इतना है तो नाम भी दो चाहिए अभी क्या?
Okay. Now, Brandon, tell me more about your professional front. I mean, what are you doing at the moment?
Right now, I'm studying my animation, so I'm in my second year animation degree, and also I'm doing a diploma from MAC.
Okay.
So like it's two different things. So like I'm just busy with my animation degree.
Given the fact that you're studying animation, 3D, VFX, the best movie according to you, incorporating all of these?
There are many movies which is animated nowadays. Like literally each and every movie is animated.
Right.
But if you ask me, the best animated movie, it's The Life of Pi.
And why?
Because it's literally shot in one room with many creativeness. Even the tiger.
Yes,
it's,
tiger.
It's actually animated.
Oh wow, but yeah, I mean, yes, definitely, it does look very
realistic.
Very realistic. Now, Arun, you just graduated as an engineer. Any inspiration from Three Idiots? And what are your future plans now?
Don't mention that. Engineering.
All is well.
मैं सच्ची बोलो तो all is well भी काम नहीं करता है.
Okay.
मतलब बर्बाद करके रखा है, बदनाम करके रखा है इंजीनियरिंग. मतलब जो इज्जत था वो भी गया.
नहीं तो फिर क्या आगे क्या प्लान्स है?
एक ही चीज बोलना है. तो तुमको जेन्युइनली साइंस में इंटरेस्ट है तो ही यू शुड टेक अप इंजीनियरिंग. नहीं तो बस स्टेटस के लिए लेके फायदा नहीं है. तुम लोग भी हम लोग में से एक हो जाओगे.
I hope the engineers hear this.
हाँ, जो अभी 10th दे रहे हो अगर अच्छा लगता है तो ही साइंस लो, नहीं तो मत लो.
ओके, हमारे अरुण दास बाबा हमने सुन लिया है. ओके, Arun, tell me, what is that one thing that Brandon needs to improve?
His relationship skills.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
His relationship skills.
Okay, relationship skills. And
Bro, that got me right here.
हाँ, but तू बहुत ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाता है कभी कभी.
Point to be noted.
Okay, Arun, another question to you. Describe Brandon in 5 words.
Describe Brandon in 5 words. He's very helpful.
Okay.
And a call away.
Okay, so they're exactly 5 words. Very helpful and a call away. Now, Arun, tell me, what is the worst job profile for Brandon?
वही लव गुरु.
अच्छा, लव गुरु मतलब
कभी ट्राई मत करो प्लीज.
मतलब बिल्कुल नहीं चलेगा.
Basically, what he's saying, I should not give love advices to anyone.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
Okay. Okay. Now, Brandon, tell me. Suppose one day you go to sleep and you wake up in the morning and you wake up in Arun's body. So you are Brandon just in the mind, but you wake up in Arun's body. What will be the first thing that you'll do?
I would reduce my weight first of all.
Okay. Okay. And what will be the second thing that you'll do?
Second thing, I would try to see if there's any chick around. Like there is one in Arun's house. That's what I heard.
Okay. Okay.
ये कट होगा.
That's the. Okay, that's okay. That's good to know. Brandon, tell me about your hobbies. I mean, you like cycling, we know that, but what
I
else?
love cycling.
Okay, you love cycling.
Other than that, I just love to do my animation work, and also recently I downloaded a truck simulator game which I play like non-stop. So like I literally one full night I went playing that game.
Arun, do you think Brandon का पाव पहुँचता है ट्रक के एक्सीलेटर ब्रेक और
नहीं ट्रक सिमुलेटर ही ठीक है.
At least a nano will be better for me.
नहीं. No.
I think you should best stick to a cycle, right?
Yeah.
Arun, I've heard from club members that you have a liking for stand-up comedy. Where did that come from?
Okay, stand-up comedy. हाँ जब I like to stay like अकेला बैठना बहुत पसंद है तो तभी सब माइंड फ्रेश करने के लिए हमेशा स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी देखता हूँ. तो थोड़ा भी कुछ भी ऐसा सीरियस सिचुएशन चल रहा होगा तो भी बीच में ऐसा कुछ जोक मार दूंगा थोड़ा लाइटन करने के लिए.
He's a good icebreaker sometimes.
मुझे सीरियस रहना उतना पसंद नहीं है.
Okay.
वो बहुत लोग एग्री भी करेंगे उससे.
हाँ.
And you also know that.
Yes, I certainly do.
And I'm the literal person who like any time when there's serious matter like I'm always joke.
मतलब कुछ भी हुआ एग्जाम खराब गया स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी एनीथिंग.
Brandon, what does Arun like the most?
Chicken.
Okay. Any form? Fried, boiled, gravy?
There's no specific. He loves chicken and that's like his first love.
Okay.
Okay. Now come on, a very quick rapid fire round for you. Okay. Brandon. We're on food at the minute, so okay. Fried chicken or spicy chicken?
I think both.
Both. Outside food or mom made food?
50-50.
50-50. Okay. Arun, Chinese food or South Indian food? Chinese. No South Indian?
नहीं यार आदत हो गया.
अच्छा आदत हो गया. As a matter of fact, Arun is Mallu, so he is a South Indian.
दिखता नहीं हूँ.
दिखता पता नहीं. We leave that up to you viewers. Cycling or creative work?
Both. I can't.
Only one.
Cycling.
Cat or dog?
Dog.
Cat or dog?
Both.
You also have both, right, Brandon?
I have a cat and a dog.
Okay. Do they fight?
It's like Tom and Jerry at home. Like I literally like just watch them play. It's cute.
Okay. Chocolate brownie or chocolate fudge?
Chocolate fudge.
Okay. Now, what would you give up? Okay, I'm just changing the scenario a bit. Food or clothes? Brandon?
Clothes.
Clothes. Fame or fortune?
Fame.
Family or love?
What would I leave, no?
What would you leave?
Love.
Okay, so you go with family. India or abroad?
Abroad.
Okay, you live abroad. Smartphone or laptop?
ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो गया.
Okay, okay, we'll take both. Okay. Okay, now again a new category. You've got to identify things according to you if they come in necessity or luxury. Money,
Luxury.
luxury. For you?
Luxury.
Friends,
Necessity.
Same necessity.
girlfriend.
Luxury.
For you, Brandon?
Necessity.
None.
Okay, I think he's given the answer, Brandon. Necessity. Travel.
Travel. Necessity.
Necessity.
Food.
Necessity.
Necessity.
Okay. What would you choose if you had granted one wish? If God is going to grant you one wish, what would you ask for? Okay, for better physique.
Yeah.
Okay, for you, Brandon.
Weight.
Okay,
Lots of weight.
Lots of weight. Okay, probably Arun can give you.
I've
some
been
of his-
telling him like since we were born on the same like day, month. Only thing year was different. He's just 1 year smaller than me. So I told him like when you were born, he took some of my fat. I was a chubby baby.
Okay, okay. And nobody is gonna believe on today's
Yeah,
looking
actually.
at you.
They
But okay, the very final question. One thing that you can do for Arun.
Always be there for him. Like, he's like a brother for me. He's like a friend.
Arun, the same question to you. What can you do for Brandon?
Okay, no one messes with him. ऐसे ही फालतू में जाके.
Okay. तो अगर कोई किसी ने उसके साथ मैस किया या फिर उसके साथ लड़ाई की तो
So he has to deal with me first.
ओके एंड अगर ब्रैंडन ने तुझसे ही मस्ती किया अरुण तो फिर
So I'll deal with him.
सो यू विल डील विद हिम ओके
YCB, like I told you, like we are the atom bombs of the road track club.
Okay. Yes. We can definitely see that. Guys, another point. Both of you creatives, Digicom, your stand-up, all of those things. What do you think about Red? I mean, Red is just a month away. So, what are you looking forward in Red?
I'm very excited for that. अभी rehearsals कब चालू होंगे मैं रुका हुआ.
Literally, he's good in dancing.
Okay.
I've already participated in dance.
Nice.
If you ask me, like Red is actually a stage where you actually bring out a stage frights, creativeness, everything. So I think if you ask me which I would go into, I would love to go into creativity.
Okay. Now, guys, being a club service director, I urge all our road actors from wherever clubs you are to participate in the upcoming Red Road Track Entertainment Destination. Now, guys, it was great to have both of you on this particular edition of Know Your Road Tractor. Anything that you want to share with our viewers?
Keep rocking.
Keep rocking. Okay. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning into this edition. Hope to see you again very soon and meet up with many more interesting road tractors. See ya.